So let's go about solving this equation here. So we will factor to get the LCD. So we're going to get x over x minus 5 equals 10 over x and x. I'm going to use 5 and 3. 5 and 3, and they're both going to be minuses because this is a plus. These have to have the same sign, which is that minus. So we've got the LCD, which is x minus 5, x minus 3, and now watch out for excluded values. X cannot be 5 or 3 because those are going to make this denominator 0. Now, let's multiply each one of the original terms by the LCD. I'm going to put the LCD here, and I'm going to put it here. So we will get x over x minus 5 times the LCD, x minus 5, x minus 3, equals the 10 over x minus 5, x minus 3 times the LCD, which is x minus 5, x minus 3. And now we'll get some cancellation here. This denominator here will cancel with that one, leaving us with x times x minus 3 equaling, now over here, that denominator cancels completely with this one, and we're just going to be left with 10. Let's finish it up here. We're going to get x squared minus 3x equals 10. Let's subtract that 10. We're going to get x squared minus 3x minus 10 equals 0. That's kind of a mess in there, isn't it? That's an equals 10. All right, now we can factor this. I hope we'll get x and x. I'm thinking minus 5 plus 2, from which we are going to get x equals 5 and negative 2 as potential solutions. Now we have to check, right? We need to check. What about these two numbers here? Well, look back what we excluded. We excluded 5 and 3, and down here we're getting a 5 and a negative 2. Now that 5's excluded, so we need to toss it out. And that leaves us only with x equals negative 2.